Sony 16-35 2.8 G Master. I've been waiting to have a look at this one for a long time. So I've been waiting to get my hands on this lens for quite a while. Today it's just arrived. I'm going to quickly run through an unboxing, talk a little bit about the lens, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I was able to get it to do. So let's move these out of the way and we can get stuck in. So first thing you'll notice, it actually comes with its own case, which is kind of cool all on its own. Not every lens comes with its own pouch. This one does deserve it though. So Sony branded, belt loop, and I believe you can even put your own strap, which is in the box. And there we have the lens itself. It's actually not that heavy. I thought it was going to be a bit heavier in the hand, but it actually feels rather nice. So as you can see, 16-35, 2.8 all the way through. We also have the focus hold button, which can be programmed in camera if you wanted to program it for a different use. I always have mine set to eye autofocus, which is just wonderful to use. The autofocus and manual focus switch. The focus ring is a delight to use. And the zoom function isn't too heavy. It seems just about right. It is what you'd expect from a G Master lens, but I'm actually quite surprised at how well built it feels, yet how light it is. Taking the lens cap off there, we can see lovely large element at the front with 82mm thread, and on the back there you can just see all the way through. Same full frame E-mount. So it's currently the only full frame 16-35 2.8 available. As I've already mentioned in a video very recently, that Tamron are releasing their own 17-28, which isn't really direct competition, but it's close and it's what a lot of people are interested in, and they certainly want to see what this is like. I certainly want to see what this is like compared to that, and we will be having a heads up with those two lenses coming up in the summer. But for now, I really want to see how good this is and see if I can get used to using this. And the weight, the actual overall weight, is exactly 680 grams, which surprised me. I thought that would feel heavier, but it really doesn't. I'm going to put it on the camera body now and we'll see what it feels like in the hand. There we go, just pop that on there. And there we have it. In the hand, that's lovely. That is a really nice weight. I do have it set slightly heavier than most other people because I have two different adapters. One for tripod for video and one for my Spider Pro holster belt. So it does actually add a bit of weight. Not enough to be a problem, but just using that, actually, that's a really nice weight. It's much lighter than I thought it would be. I was expecting it to be really heavy at the front, but it seems weighted just lovely. Okay, that's enough of me talking. Let's go and see what this can do. So what do you think of those results? I've used this camera on 2 weddings. I used it for most of the first wedding and then a little bit on the second wedding because I was working with a second shooter who also wanted to have a go with it. We've both found it to be a spectacular lens. The results that I'm able to get with this thing are second to none. What did you expect? It's a G Master lens. A lot of people are asking if it's a good option. I think it's the only option right now. Now I know Tamron are releasing a super wide to medium wide zoom lens, and that's going to be quite interesting, but for now this is clearly the king. If you want a super wide zoom, something that gives you that option of super wide for landscapes, and a great at 35mm, it's a great focal length as well for portraits and couple shots, this is the one to go for. It is expensive. It's currently about £1,800 to £1,900 in the UK. It's over $2,000 in the US, so it's not a cheap lens, but you do get what you pay for. It didn't miss a beat. It was absolutely lovely to use. Enjoyed every single moment with it. If it's within budget, you will not be disappointed. If it's not within budget, hold out for the Tamron that's coming out soon. That's something I will be reviewing as soon as I can get my hands on it. My second shooter who works with me has actually decided to pick this one up for her own weddings, which I'm rather jealous of. I will be looking to add one to my kit bag very soon. The weight of this lens is superb. It's not overly heavy at all. Using it all day at a wedding wasn't an issue whatsoever. It was just an absolute pleasure to use. I genuinely thought it was going to be a lot bigger, and I don't know why. When I look at the images of Sony lenses, I always think they're going to be bigger than what they are, and it fits really nicely with the A7 III body. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've taken something away from this first impressions video and the sample images that I've managed to get with it. If you've enjoyed this, please do check out my other videos, like and subscribe, let us know what you think, and if there's anything else in particular you want to see us review on the channel. If we can get our hands on it, then we'll let you know, and we'll do a video for it too. We'll be starting to showcase more of our videography work as well soon. We've just picked up the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K, which is absolutely superb. The learning curve on it is a little bit different to what I'm used to, but generally it seems to be quite cool, so that's something to look out for in the future as well. If you do decide to get one of these, do let us know in the comments below, and we'd love to see some sample images. But other than that, until next time, we will catch you in the next one.